lesson, we're going to learn Lithuanian pronouns, or įvardžiai. I, aš, you, tu, he, jis, she, ji, we, mes, you, plural, use. In Lithuanian, they has a masculine and a feminine form. Jie is masculine, jos is feminine. Now let's take a look at the cases of pronouns, how these words change form depending on their role in a sentence. To begin, we'll try to understand the 6 cases with the first pronoun, aš, and give you real examples. First, vardininkas. It answers the question who, what, kas. For example, kas tai padarė? Aš. Kilmininkas. Whose, ko, kieno. They both mean the same thing. Kieno šis laikrodis? Mano. Naudininkas. For what? Kam? Kam ši knyga? Man. Galininkas. Who, what, ką jis įžeidė? Mane. Įnagininkas. With what? Who? Kuo? Kuo jis pasinaudojo? Manimi. Vietininkas. Where? Kur? Kur yra tavo širdis? Manyje. Now let's look through all the pronouns in each case. Vardininkas. Kas? Aš, tu, jis, ji, mes, jūs, jie, jos. Kilmininkas. Kieno? Mano, tavo, jo, jos, mūsų, jūsų, jų. Naudininkas. Kam? Man, tau, jam, jai, mums, jums, jiems, joms. Galininkas. Ką? Mane, tave, jį, ją, mus, jus, juos, jas. Įnagininkas. Kuo? Manimi, tavimi, juo, ja, mumis, jumis, jais, jomis. Vietininkas. Kur? Manyje, tavyje, jame, joje, mumyse, jumyse, juose, jose. Before we wrap up, here are a few things you should remember. Lithuanian doesn't have a pronoun for it. Instead, we use he or she depending on the noun's gender. We use, the plural of you, when speaking to someone formally. For example, to your grandmother or to a teacher. Unlike English, where I is always capitalized, Lithuanian writes aš in lowercase, unless it starts a sentence. For example, kur aš buvau will be lowercase.